Dictation will start after 5 seconds. Start. Hours after simultaneous raids across 3 states led to the arrest of 8 men, 2 of them from Murshidabad, as part of Operation Proghat, with cops alleging they are part of the banned Ansarullah Bangla team (ABT) of Bangladesh. Bengal police claimed that the accused were plotting to create terror sleeper cells in Bengal, targeting the Chicken's Neck or the Siliguri corridor. Para. Bengal STF claimed that the 2 men arrested from Hariharpara in Murshidabad were also involved in the smuggling of arms. Stop. In addition, both men were involved in brainwashing the local youths. For this, the accused even opened an educational institute. ADG South Bengal Supratim Sarkar revealed this information at Bhavani Bhavan on Friday, claiming the accused possessed multiple books and pamphlets written by ABT founder Jasimuddin Rahmani, which talks of attacking Kolkata. The operations kicked off 3 days ago after Assam STF and Assam police contacted the state police as part of Operation Proghat. Following this, Abbas Ali and Minarul Sheikh were arrested from Hariharpara in Murshidabad during a joint raid that spanned across 3 states, Bengal, Assam, and Kerala, on the nights of December 17 to 18. Several mobile phones, SIM cards, and documents, including books, were seized from them. ABT, also called Ansarul Islam Bangladesh or Ansar Bangla, is the same group that was behind the murder of atheist bloggers in Bangladesh, one of them being Abhijit Roy in 2021. Minarul claimed cops is a pump mechanic whose job was to find like-minded youths who can serve the ABT cause. We had input that Minarul as well as Abbas was involved in terror activities even before the upheaval in Bangladesh. But since August, he found more youths, claimed a Bengal police source. Abbas was arrested earlier in a POXO case and spent 2 years in jail. After coming in touch with ABT's Muhammad Sad Ravi, a Bangladeshi sleeper cell chief who traveled from Bangladesh and was arrested from Kerala on Thursday, Abbas became more attached to the group. He was trying to set up an educational institute that can teach and propagate the principles of ABT. We found that he was reading books by Jasimuddin that contain several anti-India components, said ADG Sarkar. Sarkar said they will be traveling to Assam to question the accused from Bengal who are now in Assam police custody. While accused Sadi was arrested from Kerala and 5 others were nabbed in Assam, we are concerned about knowing the plans of this ABT India group in Bengal. A 16 GB pen drive recovered from the accused is our prime evidence, said an officer. Stop.